Natural nail care with grapeseed oil and vitamin E. Grapeseed oil and vitamin E are two natural ingredients that can be used to nourish and protect your nails. Grapeseed oil is a lightweight oil that is rich in antioxidants and essential fatty acids. It helps to moisturize and nourish the nails, making them stronger and less prone to breakage. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that helps to protect the nails from free radical damage. It can also help to reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines around the nails and cuticles. To use grapeseed oil and vitamin E for nail care, start by mixing equal parts of each oil in a bowl. Warm the oil mixture in the microwave for about 10 seconds and then use a cotton swab to apply the oil to your nails and cuticles. Massage the oil into your nails and cuticles and allow it to soak for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, rinse the oil off with warm water and pat your nails dry. You can also use grapeseed oil and vitamin E as an overnight treatment for your nails. Simply apply the oil mixture to your nails and cuticles before going to bed and leave it on overnight. The next morning, rinse the oil off with warm water and pat your nails dry. Grapeseed oil and vitamin E are two natural ingredients that can be used to nourish and protect your nails. They help to strengthen and nourish the nails, making them less prone to breakage. They can also help to reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines around the nails and cuticles. With regular use, you can keep your nails looking healthy and strong. Taking care of your nails is an important part of maintaining overall health and beauty. While there are many products on the market that claim to strengthen and nourish the nails, natural ingredients can be just as effective and gentler on the body. Grapeseed oil and vitamin E are two natural ingredients that can help to promote healthy, strong nails without the use of harsh chemicals or synthetic additives. Grapeseed oil is a lightweight, non-greasy oil that is rich in antioxidants and essential fatty acids. These nutrients help to strengthen and nourish the nails, while also promoting healthy skin and cuticles. To use grapeseed oil for natural nail care, simply massage a few drops of the oil into your nails and cuticles each night before bed. This will help to moisturize and protect the nails, while also promoting growth and strength. Vitamin E is another natural ingredient that is great for nail care. This nutrient is a powerful antioxidant that helps to protect the nails from damage caused by free radicals. It also helps to moisturize and nourish the nails, promoting strength and growth. To use vitamin E for natural nail care, you can either take a vitamin E supplement or apply vitamin E oil directly to the nails and cuticles. You can also look for nail care products that contain vitamin E as an ingredient. To get the most out of your natural nail care routine, it's important to also practice good nail hygiene. This includes keeping